Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can pay for groceries with Argos card in Sainsbury. So in order to pay for groceries with Argos card in Sainsbury, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you can use Argos card to buy groceries, do clothing, homeware, electronic, basically anything in the Sainsbury local store. And with this Argos card, only a normal credit card is available in Sainsbury. So however, you can't use your Argos card to shop online at sainsbury.co.uk or when you're using Sainsbury app. Unfortunately, you're not able to use your Argos card online. However, you can use it at the store or offline or in the store, travel, bureaus, whatever. Now, one more thing about this is that Argos gift card or gift or e-gift card cannot be spent in the Sainsbury store as well. However, if your local Sainsbury branded commission inside it, you can use it there as well. So that's basically how you can use your Argos card in Sainsbury. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.